Hi guys, I'm here with this mega sites. Actually, this is what for actually what problem this product will solve. Actually, you can create unlimited websites. Okay, with actually you have to then put your domain. Actually, you have to connect your domain. Otherwise, you can go with your subdomains for any niche. You can do. You can create many multiple websites. Okay, you can read all these things here. Okay, you not need to hosting. Okay, SEO optimized included. All these things will be included. Plus all these features I already mentioned here. Plus you can create many websites. You can sell your created websites. Actually you can provide service just like website creation or something like that. You can sell your websites on Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork. Okay, you can make money some from that, and you can create websites for you also. Okay, for blog, for anything. This is member access area. We will discuss each and everything, and you can create membership, any type of the websites. You can go for any niche, for blog, for this and that, something like that, and you can go for this one. So we will discuss each and everything. So just going ahead with this all features. All these features are already available here also. You can see. Okay, create new sites here available. All sites it is available. Walkthrough videos, it means training videos. You have to actually, you will know each and everything how to use this complete system. Okay, so that is how you will learn how to apply all these things and something like that. Okay, you can edit site pages, all these things, upgrade to pro. If you want to go for audios and upsells, consultant kit, we will go ahead with this, and we will check this one. Some bonuses available for you. My bonuses, I will again show you all these things. Community and all these things are available. Now if you go here my sites, you can go some so much websites here. Okay, so much websites and all things, dashboard, new post, all everything is available here. Okay, so this is for just demo. So we will click on this, and we will see create new sites for you. Just for example, I'm not coming with any type of the practice. I'm just trying each and everything directly in front of you. So let's see what will become. Okay, so this is opt-in page, sales page 2 done for you, review block through. So for example, you can go for review websites. You can go for, actually you can use blogging for reviewing something. Okay, you can go for this type of sales page if you want to sell something. Sales page means physical product. Okay, e-commerce website. Okay, something like Shopify, something like drop shipping, WooCommerce. So what you can do, directly choose some product physically, select this type of the page, put your product, type some specification. Okay, give something information and value about that product, connect all these buttons, something like checkout button, payment button, something like that, and you can start selling something like physical product. Okay, something like e-commerce, something like that. And just by doing blogging, you can earn from monetization. If you put too much blogs, not in starting, but after some days, after some time, you will be able to put so much blogs, so you will start earning from monetization, because you can apply for monetization if you have enough number of blogs on your websites. And later you can sell something like affiliate products. You can go for CPA offers. Even if someone will click on your link, you will get paid. Okay, that is how CPA marketing works. Okay, you can put your own products on your websites. Okay, if it is a digital product, so you can put in blogs. Okay, and if it is physical products, so you can go ahead with that also. Okay, so these are some all things. Bonus pages are also available. Actually these are some templates. So if you go with bonus templates, so if you provide something, if you want to sell any main product, so you can put some bonuses. Okay, some attracting bonuses or something related to that product bonuses. So complete bundle and package it will look like, so that customer and visitor, your audience, will think to go ahead with that particular product. Okay, so many is done for you, 100 plus done for you templates available. Okay, I'm showing you each and everything. You can see here, I'm just going down, and you can see here so many products. Actually so many templates are coming in front of you, so you can choose out of them, any one out of them. So for example, I'm choosing this one. Okay, so just click on the select, and let's see what will happen later. So I clicked here. Okay, it is working. Let's see site address URL. So site address URL. Uh, for example, I am putting my one, because right now actually just we are trying. So let's see what will come. Only lowercase letters, numbers, and all these things are available. Okay, so I'm just putting this one. Site title is blog, for example. English. Okay, so add site. So let's see, because I put my domain name also here. So let's see it will add or not. So if it will not able to add this, we will change the name. Yes, some error is coming. I think you can see here some error is coming. So I'm going back. So let's see what it can be. So for example, this time I'm going for this one, and we will try to just add some single name. Okay, so it will be easy. Okay, better and easy. So maybe it will take name, for example, fashion copy. Okay, title is about blog, site language is English. Let's see. Actually, this is talking about URL, but let's see what will happen. Actually, we should try each and everything, okay, so that we will gain some more experience, bad experience, good experience, all type of experience will make you successful, okay. So this is added. Actually, I'll forget my name. Okay, fashion puppy it was. So it is available or not. Category blog. Yes, I chosen blog. So I think this one is mine. Okay, because this is this name. I think this category I just given this one. So I'm not saving right now. I'm just checking this button. What will this button do? So well, okay, so many things are available here, primary sites and something like that. So just add one, just clicking on this. Actually, I'm just creating new site. So just want to see actually what is this? Pick templates. Actually, we already did this thing. Okay, guys. Footer builder, post template. Actually, I'm not going to footer builder because it's too much easy. You can go on YouTube also and you can just learn. Okay, footer means bottom side of your page. Okay, see where I'm cursor my where I'm moving my cursor. Okay, here your footer will be appear for your visitors and audience, and you can put some privacy policy disclaimer, contact us, that type of the buttons, so your complete website will appear something good or something like that related to your niche. It is depend on that. Okay, so create new site. I already, okay, this is okay. So I selected category blog. So I'm just visiting site. So let's see what will happen. Yes, fashion puppy it is, you can see fashion puppy, which I already added in front of you, fashion puppy megasites.io. So that is how your website will look like. Okay, you can just play around with all this, but you can play around all with all these options. So let's see. Okay, there's some pages are available. If you want, you can remove that. Okay, I will show you how to do that. Okay, inside setting, you can go and you can do that. This is Mega Builder. It is added with Elementor. Elementor is plugin. If you don't have plugin, so you need to buy this. Okay, I have Thrive Architect in my own website, but that is already installed in my website, so that I don't have fresh one. So I'm not able to show you like just something like that. So this is edit page. We should click on this so that we can play around with these options and you will be able to understand perfectly. Okay, so let's see what is coming. I clicked already on edit page. You can see here. So let's see what play around options can will come in front of you. And later we will decide. Actually, no need to decide. Okay, we have to just play around with that. We have to just make good appearance. Okay, see, everything is in front of you. If you are already made something on WordPress, so it will be familiar for you. Edit with Elementor if you have, but if you don't have, no worries. You can see same. It is same. Okay, just like WordPress, and you can just go ahead with WordPress editor. You can type some blogs. Okay, blog. I'm talking about content. You can choose anything from here. Okay, so I'm not going much deeper with this because this all things are too much easy and everyone know about this. So right now I don't have Elementor also. So for example, I should click on this so that we will know what next option is coming in front of us. So Elementor home one, let's see what will coming. Actually, pre-built Elementor we are getting or we need to buy Elementor. I'm just confusing between that. So if I'm getting pre-built Elementor, then it will perfect for me because I don't need to go outside and I don't need to buy Elementor. Okay, I just start playing around with buttons, with appearance, with themes, with images, videos, all things I can put according to my product or niche or content, something like that. So it will look a related website perfectly. Okay, so guys, it is taking too much time and okay, it's done, guys. See all options now in front of you. See elements. I clicked on Elementor. Okay, you can see here, and I'm just getting option. All these things you can see here. Customize, edit page, mega builder. I clicked on edit page first. Okay, it redirected me to the inside WordPress dashboard. You already watched this, but later I clicked on Elementor, means edit with Elementor button, and later I got this appearance. Now you can play around with this, guys. Okay, you can just edit, you can just delete. So for example, I'm just okay. For example, I'm just looking for this one. Actually, if I will delete from this button, this complete thing will delete. Okay, so I don't want to do that. Okay, I want to delete a little option. For example, this followers option. So you can just click on this and let's see what will happen. It is just taking this my action or not. So actually this is delete button or something other. This is something edit option, guys. Okay, so it will, okay, no worry. Here you can see edit option because before it was little bit different. So no worry, I'm just clicking on that again. You can do all this. You can increase the size and all. Okay, but you should put your size according to your screen and page. Okay, so guys, I'm not going much deeper with this. This is totally option for playing around and with playing around and all. So I hope you are enough smart to do all these things. Okay, so when you just do all these things, you will get some affiliate link options so that you can put your link. For example, this is okay. So actually, I don't want to show you all these things because you already know all that things, but let me see if there is not, if there is option there or not for, but always if you don't have any option to put your link, then website will not be useful. So obviously you will get that option in tutorial, you will learn. Okay. So I'm just going back. I'm just leaving this one. So let's see what later will come because too much options and features are available there. I need to show you each and everything, so I don't waste your time and my time too also. That is why I'm just going ahead and I'm just leaving that. Okay, here we were before. Okay, this option we click. Okay, and you can just put your if you, for example, I'm going to editor. So I'm just doing continue because it will take time, but guys, you need to understand each and everything because I'm showing all this thing for you guys. Okay, so for example, if you put something here, okay, you can put your link here also. Okay, by clicking and you will get so much option if you go for blog. Okay, so you can go here, you can type here anything. For example, okay, I did all these things. You can click here and you can just put your any link, search or type. For example, this is my page. Okay, and I want my visitors and my audience click on this link and they're redirected to my affiliate page, my CPA offer or something like I want to sell them. Okay, on that type of the page, I want to redirect them. So you have to just do like this. Okay, so it's pretty cool, pretty simple, guys. Okay, you can do in complete website these things. So I'm just not going much deeper because this is easy thing. Okay, childrens even know how to do all these things. So okay, so this is not a main thing. Some more important things are waiting for us, so we will go ahead with those and later so that you will be able to decide. You have to go ahead with this. Okay, guys, so mm, let's see what is inside this, guys. Okay, I already shown you guys. Okay, it's hundreds plus done for you website. Always remember, guys, this all done for you templates are available for different niches. So it will be too much easy for you to go with different niches and you can just create websites for you. And one more thing I'm telling you, you can just create website for your clients. Okay, if you are providing any services in local area, worldwide, doesn't matter, just go for any type of template related to that particular niche. For example, this is health niche. For example, this is a real estate niche. Okay. For example, this is painter niche. This is financial advisor. You can advisor. You can become financial coach, business coach. This is interior designer firm. Okay. For any type of the people, you can create website. You can sell them for good amount. So you will make money from there also, and you can create a website for you as well, and you can start making some money by doing just business, by doing by doing some affiliate marketing, sales, e-commerce product, and just blogging and just monetization on your blog, something like that. Okay, so that's how many sources you can see now in front of you to make money. Okay, so post template already in front of you. You can see here archive template means if you remove any archive template, so it will be shown you different list, or it will shown on your top. Okay, that is how. Now custom menu, let's see. It will be some it will be something like you can add some menu. Okay, new mega menu. Yes, it will be for if you want to add some special menu on your page, on your website, so it will be for that. So I'm just clicking on this. So let's see what will happen. My website again opening. Okay, you can see fashionpuppy.megasites.io, which I already made in front of you. Again, edit with Elementor. So title is get your puppy. Okay, so I just put this. I will put some description about my this title, and this my already this thing what is actually here. So I'm not going this time edit with Elementor because it will take too much time again. So anything, there is nothing to save. Directly publish option. You can preview this. So let's see. We should preview this one. So let's see how it will look like. Get your puppy. It is blog website, guys, because I already selected category. Okay, if you will select something like e-commerce, something like membership, something like different type of website, then your appearance will look like that particular specific category. So what is here? Okay, some options are available here. No worry. Actually, what is coming here, it is creating menu, or okay, this is edit mega menu option. But first of all, I want to see where is my title which I put here. So it is again taking too much time, but I want to show you guys how it will look like. But okay, just click me again on this. If I'm getting some options, so I will use some of them. Okay, same options I'm getting: draft, public, immediately publish. So guys, we should, I think, publish this one. Okay, so I'm just going to publish. Okay, update and all these things. You can see, I think here, your website, financial, what was name? Wait, fashion puppy, something like this, fashion puppy. So actually this is not our website. This is our website, but where we can see, you can just go inside dashboard, create new website, something like that. Here you will see your created website and all these things, but no worry, you will learn all these things inside tutorials. Okay, here is tutorial. You can see walkthrough videos. Here you will learn each and everything. But let me show, actually, let me search some more things. Okay, if something, okay, let me see view post here. Okay, if I will get something new, I will discuss with you all those things. So I published this. So I just watching this one from outside as a visitor. So it will look like this. How the JP and all these things. Just let me search, guys. Let me search dashboard theme and mega menu. Actually, it maybe my mega menu will come here because option is coming here. Okay, again, it is giving me edit option. So get your puppy option. You can just put here. Okay, it will look like that. Okay, so I'm not going with this. I'm just removing this one. Okay, I already published, and yes, build custom mega menu. It is something like that. Add media paragraph. No, this is not like that. It will look like something blog plus menu, something like that. But okay, just come here, all sides, just leaving. Yes, I'm leaving this. I'm going with this option. So let's see what will come in front of you. Actually, we don't have too much time. We should go ahead. We should go ahead. So all sites, okay, which I already created. I think this one is our website. So for example, we should visit this one by using new window. So let's see what will open. Yes, fashion puppy mega sites. See, okay, guys. So actually by category, okay, if you add category, so category wise you can search your website, okay, not by name. So mega builder, and what is this? Is product something? Okay, this is affiliate product. You will sell like this. Okay, you can see some overviews, some recommended products you can put here. Actually, this will be your blog link. Okay, so if someone will click on this, they will redirect it. They will redirect to your another blog if they are interested in this particular product. Okay, that is how your product or affiliate marketing website will look like. Okay, guys. So, okay, we should go ahead more. Okay, some more website. This was all demo websites. You can go ahead, see, make money online with William and review. He's again making review website. I'm making blog website. You can create your own according to your wish. So where we were all walkthrough videos, guys. Okay, you can just edit side pages, but this is walkthrough videos, tutorials. Okay, so you can just go through each and every. Don't worry, guys. Okay, you will get each and everything. Okay, so that you will learn each and every. Actually, you will learn how to use completely this system perfectly. Okay, so I'm just editing inside this one, and later it will be done from my side, and we will just close this video as soon as possible. Okay, some pages you can create, guys. It's too much easy, guys. Too much easy. Okay, so if you want, okay, let me show you. Otherwise, you will tell you don't do anything. I just actually daily I create page. Okay, I create daily pages in my website, but this is demo website. Put title cow, for example. Okay, so I'm not going with mega builder because it will take time. Okay, so for example, I'm choosing, wait, guys. Okay, I'm just putting me here now. Uh, you can choose any template, default template, so much. Okay, for example, landing page template I'm choosing. Okay, put it publicly, publish immediately. Okay, it is too much easy, guys. Okay, that's how you will get option. If you put private, you can do private password protector. Just share your password with your some members, and just it this page will be only within you. Okay, this is for that. Now you can just now. Okay, so it's done. Just click this button. Okay, guys, click this button, publish, again publish, and it will be updated. Now this is your link. Okay, you can see this is your link. Copy, you can pick view page, you can copy link. Too much easy, guys. Nothing inside right now because I didn't put anything inside my page, so you will look nothing. Now if you want to do some edit in this page, you can apply this Elementor option, and you can just play around with your pages and something like that, which I already shown you before. And just you can make some changes, and later your website will look like differently. Okay, so mega builder, again you can launch mega builder because mega builder you are getting inside this. Mega builder means this is mega sites. Okay, this product is mega sites. So mega builder is inbuilt tool, just something like Thrive Architect, something like Elementor, you can see here, and many such options are available. This is something like that, but you are getting here for free if you will launch. Okay, let me show you. I'm just going to launch, because if I will launch this one, you will be familiar with this, and you can just play around easily later. Okay, so it is taking too much time, so I will give it little bit time, and later if it will again take much time, we will go ahead, we will leave this. Okay, guys. So for my cow title, let's see what options are coming, and later, okay, same thing, guys. Okay, same thing. You have to just play around with this. Okay, just make by using Mega Builder. You will get Mega Builder playing around option inside the settings and inside the dashboard. But yes, here also actually I'm just doing from here. So some options you can see here. Right now I don't have for writing. So for example, you can go ahead with this. You can put your buttons, your affiliate link button, your city offer button, your particular special, your own product button, okay, selling button or something like that. So all options are here, guys. You can see some call to action. You can put any type of call to action contact form so that someone can contact to you, so that you will get some leads for you. Okay, this is for something like that. Login form and each and everything, guys. So for example, I'm putting for clicking on button. So let's see where it is. Okay, no worry, guys. I think I'm not getting all options. Okay, but options are too much available. It is something like Thrive Architect and Elementor. So you don't need to go for installing special plugins and something like that, because this mega option is again for you available, mega editor. Okay, so guys, I'm just removing this one. Okay, publish option is already in front of you. When you will click on this, it will be available for public directly, immediately. Okay, if you do this. So just going back on our dashboard, and let's see one more things. So if something is left, then we will discuss on that, and later we will close this. Okay, guys. So this is completely for website, WordPress, and something like that. You can actually, you don't even need to integrate your WordPress. Okay, everything is available inside this. So this is, guys, Mega Builder. See, launch Mega Builder, something like other plugins. So you don't need to go for other plugins. This is available for you, especially inside this mega sites. So you can use this one and you can put so much. Actually, you can create landing pages, so many different opt-in pages. Done for you templates are already available for you. Why I'm telling you all these things? Because people are paying for this type of things outside. Okay, you can go outside, you can check, people are paying monthly for Thrive Architect for different plugins, and just because of that they are able to create landing pages, opt-in pages, quiz pages, websites. Okay, all these options you are going to get inside this, and you don't have to pay monthly. Okay, this benefit you are going to get inside this. So guys, I'm done from my side. This is upgrade, this is consultant kit. Okay, this is funnel builder. Too much easy, guys. So for example, I clicked on this content consultant kit. You will get some consultants option and something like that. So I'm not going much deeper with that, because even I'm not getting much deeper option on that, but you will get options, so don't worry. Okay, now this is funnel. So hello JV Access, just watch this video. Okay, so you can see getting started. So funnel builder, see, funnel builder, you will actually create your first flow. See, so guys, complete flow. Funnel means flow, means if someone coming on first page, if he don't want to buy your first page product, you can just redirect them, your customer visitor, to second page. Even if he purchased something, again you can redirect to other next page for upsell, for OTOs, for cross sell, for upsell, for whatever, guys. Okay, so for that purpose, funnel create people create funnels, and you can just use template, you can create some flows. Okay, so for example, if you click on this, I'm just showing you guys, start from scratch. Okay, some pre-made for you, pre-made things already done for you, but I'm not going to done for you things. I'm going to start from scratch. Okay, so it will be easy for you. So enter flow. So for example, I want to sales, I want to product selling. Okay, product sales. So I'm giving this name. Okay, I'm designing my flow. Let's click on this and let's see what will happen. Okay, guys, this is last option. Okay, and I want to show you, so it will be easy to you, because many things you are already getting, especially funnels option is again you are going to get here. So add new steps. See, this is landing pages, thank you pages, and if you want some squeeze pages, some opt-in pages to grab some emails, to grab some personal details like contact number, WhatsApp number, emails, or some more interested things. For example, he is interested in business, he is interested in dancing, some singings, that type of things you can put here. Okay, for example, I'm just putting new step. So what I want to do some upsell, downsell. No, I don't want to do all these things. I want to put some opt-in so that I can grab some deals, I can grab some leads, and later I can put some email marketing. Okay, so I'm just clicking on that. So ready templates available, create your own. Guys, I'm creating my own. Select type. So opt-in, create a tab. Okay, so all these things, okay, actually this is for free. Okay, install WooCommerce. So I'm just not going much deeper. Okay, I already shown you. You have to just create flow so that particular customers, visitors will come to your first page to last page. Okay, by purchasing some things, by leaving some things, something like that, guys. Okay, too much easy. Some templates already available for you. You don't need to do hard work. I'm going for this from create from scratch because it will be too much to understand for you, because right now I have to install WooCommerce. Again, it will take too much time, guys, but I hope you got my point what I am going to provide you. Now this is account. So let's see. I just clicked on this. Let's see what will come inside in front of us, and we will okay, set custom domains, change plans. Okay, these are some audios. Okay, so these are some audios and all these things, guys, for upsells and something like that. So I'm done from my side, guys. Okay, I hope you got each and every my point. And now you have to decide, because you don't need to buy hostings. You don't need to buy. Actually, you have to just connect your domain. Otherwise, you can go with your subdomains. Okay, so it doesn't matter your domains and all, and everything is ready for you inside. We already watched each and everything, guys. We will meet another time, guys, with another masterpiece. Till then, bye.